Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. This one is not going to be exactly what you think it is, but then again, it may be. So we're going to be talking about blankets and throws, those little light blankets, those fleece little things you just cover up when you need something out there while you're watching TV, the chill sets in, and Afghans and other things like that. But we're going to be talking about more than just what you think they're used for. Some of you will be saying, I got plenty of blankets, got more than enough blankets. All right, let's talk about different scenarios here. What about when the power goes out and it's in the middle of winter and it starts getting really cold and it's out for several days? Do you have enough blankets for everyone to stay warm in their beds? Do you have enough blankets to put over the windows to help insulate the windows, keep the cold out? Another thing about covering the windows, if you happen to have a generator and you're the only one with lights on, you need to black out the windows, and blankets work great for that. Put enough blankets over the windows, you don't have light getting out and everyone going, oh, they got power, let's go over there. And so there's a lot of things you can do with blankets in the wintertime to help keep you warm. Now, if you have more than enough blankets, guess what? You may be able to trade some of those blankets for something else that someone doesn't need as much as you need. I'm not going to mention types of items, but let your imagination go and think outside the box of what you might trade for that would be really good to have, because the price of a blanket has just went up and the price of that other thing you want may have gone down. So you may be able to get several of them for one blanket. Now, let's talk about summertime. What? Blankets in summertime? Yes. Because if blankets can insulate the windows in the wintertime, they can insulate the windows in the summertime. In fact, in my bedroom here, I got a couple of wool blankets up over the windows to help insulate it from the heat coming in when the sun's beating on the windows. So that's another thing you can use blankets for in the summertime. Now, there's a lot of other ideas you could probably come up with on your own for what you can use blankets for. Take a minute and think about it. And with that, I'd like to remind everybody, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.